Hey singers, how's it going? We're here for another Origo music lesson. This is session 1, energy 1, and it's the first song. So it's exercise 3 from the little treasure chest. This song is Marilyn, We're Off to School. Today we're going to learn a new note. That note, the first one in this exercise, which they already play for us to hear, is an E. This E is on the first line of the staff. We're going to sing a C, a D, and an E. There's also that one beat rest, the little lightning bolt symbol you see there. That lightning bolt means one beat of silence. We don't sing. We don't play, we don't do anything. I'm going to press play on the exercise now, and we're going to sing and play along.
Pausa, pausa, pausa. 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 Pausa.
And after the rest, this exercise is very simple. So now we have a new little line there, which is the E, the first line of the staff. Since it's higher than the D and the C, the melody starts by going down, and then it goes back up, right? Be careful not to let your pitch drop, because it's very easy to change notes when you have repeated notes. In other words, when you have to sing the same note several times, it's easy to drift and end up singing a different note, which will sound out of tune. So really watch out for that. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.